Hi, I'm Reese from Ansell Lighting and I'm proud to introduce the Ansell Guardian, an ultra slim LED solution designed to make emergency lighting installs cleaner, faster and more reliable. Built from durable polycarbonate, the Guardian is ideal for commercial settings and is packed with installer-friendly features. The Guardian comes supplied with a self-adhesive legend and includes clear indicators on the diffuser to help you align everything accurately so it looks right the first time, every time. For added peace of mind, self-test is standard, helping to reduce manual checks and simplify ongoing compliance, but can also be easily switched to manual test. Installation is straightforward with a 20mm side end and rear cable entries to suit a wide range of fixing points and wiring mounts. The quick release LED array and gear tray assembly give you faster access for installation and maintenance, saving time on site. Inside the Guardian is powered by a LiFePO4 Lithium battery, delivering improved energy consumption and longer overall lifetime compared to traditional battery technologies. It has an 18-metre viewing distance and is available in black or white to match the space. The Guardian Emergency Bulkhead, slim, smart and built to last, backed by Ansell Lighting's 7-year product and battery warranty.